So here's something that's kind of cool. I got a pair of Adam's audio here. Adam audio, sorry. And what happened was it fell off my shelf, and Cat knocked it off the shelf, and it bent one of the pins inside of the XLR female. So took this thing apart thinking I was just going to order a whole new socket, but instead what I find is that these pins, let's see if the phone will focus in there, you can see how those three pins are only contacting by just a sliver. And so all you have to do is take a screwdriver and see, I just kind of held it right here. You can see a little indentation on the back of the copper rods there. All you have to do is take a little screwdriver and tap it lightly, and it will bend push those pins back in, which brings them down to contact your XLR pins. So that's pretty cool. So I guess if your XLRs get loose, that's all you have to do. Gnarly.